was causing. Uh-huh. And thanks to China, we also know how essential it is for your immune system. Are your hair more dry than the jhadu of your house? Do you feel by the time things go normal, you will not have hair on your head? Then hi, don't worry, हम सब इसमें साथ में ही हैं. Just take a deep breath and watch this video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ishita with 2 E's. Now I was experiencing a lot of hair fall, like a lot of hair fall in the last few weeks. पहले मुझे लगा मानसून है तो it's normal, मानसून में hair fall होता ही है, but it got to a very serious level and बीच में I realized that जितना मैं केयर करती थी पहले मैंने लॉकडाउन में उतना भी छोड़ दिया है and all I do is sit and complain about the hair fall. So if you are somebody like me, तुम्हें कोई हक नहीं बनता पहले तो कंप्लेन करने का. जस्ट वॉच दिस वीडियो. आई एम श्योर आपको कुछ ना कुछ टिप्स मिल जाएंगे टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेयर. एंड इफ यू आर जस्ट एज लेजी एज मी, इट्स टाइम दैट यू टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेयर एंड स्टॉप कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट द हेयर फॉल. So I've been doing these things for a few weeks, almost 2-3 weeks now, and I do see a difference in my texture and there has been a little improvement in the hair fall as well. So that is why I thought I should make this video and help you out as well. मैं कोई specific shampoo hair mask की बात नहीं करने वाली हूँ. बहुत ही कुछ basic से steps हैं, कुछ थोड़े non-basic से भी steps हैं. And yeah, now let's just start with the video. So पहले I'm gonna start with the basics, which is oiling. Now I used to regularly oil my hair in Pune. लॉकडाउन में आई डोंट नो कौन सा लेजी मोड ऑन हो गया था. आई लिटरली स्टॉप्ड ऑयलिंग. इनफैक्ट आई वाज द पर्सन जिसने इंस्टाग्राम पे एक हैक शेयर किया था दैट इफ यू मिक्स शैम्पू एंड एलोवेरा जेल सो यू डोंट इवन नीड ऑयलिंग और कंडीशनिंग, योर हेयर विल फील सो स्मूथ. एंड दिस वॉज अ हैक फॉर डेज व्हेन यू डोंट फील लाइक ऑयलिंग एंड आई डिड इट फॉर लाइक 3 months. एंड उसके बाद जो मेरे बालों का हाल हुआ है, दैट मेड मी रियलाइज कि देयर इज नो रिप्लेसमेंट फॉर ऑयल. You need to oil your hair. I have been using castor oil since ages now and I always mix castor oil and coconut oil because it's recommended that you mix it with another oil so that uski thickness थोड़ी कम हो जाए. Castor oil is known for its hair regrowth properties. It actually increases the blood circulation at your scalp as well. So I specifically use this mixture around my scalp. I take my own time and मैं अच्छे से मसाज करती हूँ and yeah. As much as I love coloring my hair and experimenting with my hair, मुझे उतनी ही केयर भी करनी पड़ती थी. लॉकडाउन को छोड़ देते बट पहले I really used to take care of my hair. And I also feel your hair and skin issues can't be cured just because of some external products. You have to take care of it from within. मतलब आपकी diet has to be really nutritious and healthy as well. So make sure that your diet plan is good. I mean, basically it has to be a well-balanced diet. Now I have been regularly consuming Chic Nutrix Bounce. These are hair supplements. They have selenium and biotin, which is a very essential component for your hair regrowth, hair fall issues, overall improving the hair texture. Now these aren't like medicines, of course. These are like nutritional supplements that you can include on your diet for good results. This has become like a daily routine now. I have 2 of their variants. One is raspberry and the other one is green apple. दोनों ही बहुत yum है, but I personally like the green apple one a little more. These are effervescent tablets. तो आप जैसे ही उसे एक पानी में डालोगे, they dissolve. मुझे तो वो देखने में बहुत मज़ा आता है. It smells so amazing. Since you are having it with 1 glass of water, so in a way you are consuming more water as well. These are specifically made for people like us who don't really manage a very well balanced diet. So yeah, you can go for these nutritional supplements. Now both the flavors are amazing. They have not added sugar. They've used artificial sweeteners which are 0 calorie as well. They are also gluten free in case that is one of your concerns. Let me just mention, this is not something miraculous जिससे आपको तुरंत result मिल जाएगा. This is something that you have to carry on for at least a month to see results. I've had it for like 3 weeks and I do see a difference. That's why I'm including it. Now I don't know if I've mentioned this, but the last 2 weeks of August were really stressful for us because we were supposed to be under home quarantine because of some positive cases in our house and that made us way more alert about our immunity and health in general. मतलब हम obviously पहले भी precautions ले रहे थे but एक होता है ना when you're under literally quarantine period, उस time पे your stress levels are like at another level. So Chic Nutrix had actually sent us their Super C Amla Extract and Zinc Natural Vitamin C for skin protection. Now we all know vitamin C is so beneficial for your skin and thanks to China we also know how essential it is for your immune system. So yeah, my entire family was living on it. We had it every single day. We're almost done with one of it. So yeah, These are extremely yum. Again, halka sa, it has that tangerine flavor, love it. Zinc has this anti-inflammatory property which helps with the overall health of your skin and also the acne and the scars because of it. And amla to I feel sabne suna hua hai bachpan se, all about its goodness. While this is very very beneficial for your skin, I think we had it just to increase our immunity, especially during that time. So I forgot to mention that I have a coupon code ChicIshi15 for you guys to get 15% off on your orders. So I'm going to leave all the links and my coupon code in the description box. So don't forget to check it out. Next step is something that you need to do before oiling your hair, before shampooing your hair, in fact before sleeping as well, which is combing your hair. Now most of the times ये होता है कि हम घर में बन बना के घूम रहे होते हैं, अगर ऑयल करना है बन खोला है तुरंत ऑयल करने लग गए. Don't do this mistake. पहले अपने बाल comb करो, get rid of the knots, get rid of the, what do you call it, जो थोड़े से, get rid of all the फंसे हुए बाल, because आप जैसे ही अपने हाथ डालते हो उसमें and जितने भी फंसे हुए बाल होते हैं, you try to detangle them with force, उससे बाल और टूट जाते हैं. So make sure you comb your hair आराम से, झटका दे के भी नहीं, and start from the ends. Like you have to comb it from the ends and then get to the roots. So yeah. Next is the correct way to apply serums and conditioner. You aren't supposed to take it on your palms and rub it and then rub it on your hair. उससे बालों में फ्रिक्शन होगा because literally आप रगड़ रहे हो बस बाल, उससे ends और टूटते हैं. So what you're supposed to do is take the serum, massage it in your fingers and then run it through your hair. I do the same for the conditioners and serum. Anything that has to be applied towards the end of your hair has to be applied like this. Basically आप जितना कम प्रेशर लगाओगे अपने छोटे से प्यारे से बालों पे उतना ही अच्छा होगा for your hair. Now the next point is something that I do for my face, but I think I should start with my hair as well. Now ऐसा होता है कभी कभी किसी सिटी का पानी doesn't suit your skin and hair. It's because the water is way more hard, like it has much more minerals which aren't really suiting your skin. So what I do is I use RO wala water to wash my face. I do see a little bit of difference. So ये मेरी friend पुणे में hair wash के बाद भी करती थी. Like the last bucket of water or the last what do you call it, mug of water that falls on your head has to be the clean softer water from RO. Basically I'm suggesting कि when you're done with your shower and shampooing your hair, just keep थोड़ा सा filtered water and the last rinse should be with that filtered water, so that जो last पानी आपके सर में रहता है या फिर आपकी skin पे रहता है is the filtered soft water. So yeah, I have been regularly doing it for my skin. मुझे बालों के लिए भी I think कर लेना चाहिए. I'm thinking about it, so I thought मुझे mention कर देना चाहिए. Now the next point is something जो मैं बोल रही हूँ because I really have to do this. That is get your hair trimmed. Now I'm going to be very honest, मेरा बहुत मन है कि दिवाली तक मेरे बाल लंबे हो जाए. That is why I'm taking care of them as well. But at the same time, I have severely damaged ends. Like they are bleached, they have split ends as well. And split ends रखने का कोई फायदा नहीं होता है. You feel like you have a few extra inches in your hair, but they are so dead, they are so damaged. They are much more damaged than good. So there is no point in keeping them. So मैं इसलिए बोल रही हूँ because I really want to cut them off. So I'm actually taking care of all the new hair that is growing on. And जो ends है मैं उसे कटवाना चाहती हूँ. I think I'll do this tonight or tomorrow. So yeah. And anyways, trimming your hair is very essential. It helps in growing your hair as well. I've heard it so many times, but I'm still so confused कि दिवाली तक बढ़ेंगे कि नहीं, पता नहीं क्या होगा. But yeah, I think I'll do it. I really need to do it because I really hate how the ends look right now. So yeah. Moving to the next point, ये मेरी list में होने नहीं वाला था, but I recently met two of my friends. And don't worry, we abided by all the rules. उन दोनों ने अपना full body checkup कराया था. So basically what they got to know is that they do have certain vitamin deficiencies जिनकी वजह से उन्हें hair fall issues हो रहे हैं, skin issues भी हो रहे हैं, with some other health issues as well. So that is why I wanted to include this step, which is get a full body checkup done. I want to get it done, but मेरे पापा ने सीधे बोल दिया कि please थोड़ा रुक जाओ, let things get a little more normal. But I still want to get it done in the coming few months, especially before my birthday. I thought I should mention this as well. If you are facing some severe health issues, get a full body checkup. Know what your body needs or lacks and what you need to work on or consume more. So yeah. And coming to the last point, now I know a lot of people use hair masks. Most of them are, you know, the products that are sold. While I agree that they are nice, but you can actually go for DIY hair masks as well. Now this one is particularly for days when you don't have the time to oil. मतलब I feel oil करने का फ़ायदा तब होता है when you at least keep it for 3-4 hours या फिर overnight. But if in case you are in a hurry and you don't really have the time to oil your hair, what you can do is use egg whites and add coconut oil to it and use it as a hair oil only. उसको mix कर लोगे आराम से, it gets mixed very easily, and then apply it in the scalp, on the lengths of your hair. आराम से massage it in and keep it for 20 minutes and then wash your hair. It is much more beneficial for your hair than just shampooing without any oiling. Trust me, the egg whites and the oil makes your texture much more softer. Like मेरे बाल थोड़े frizzy हो जाते हैं, especially humid weather में, but it literally made it so soft. So yeah. And with this, we've come to the end of this video. I hope that you found this helpful. 1-2 points मिले होंगे which you can include in your daily routine to take care of your hair. And I'm gonna link all of these supplements in the description box. Definitely check Chic Nutrix out. They have many more products as well. I'm sure they'll have a product according to your requirements. And also let me know if you have any hair hack or hair care routine. That is all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
1, 2, 3, funky.